Hi guys, here I have a nice radical problem which is square root of 203 minus 20 root 6 equals what? And you don't need to use a calculator here. It's very simple but tricky. So let's see how we can solve this question. So what do you have here? What I'm gonna do is, you would not be expecting a solution like this, but if you know how to do it, you can easily do this. 203 I can split up into 200 plus 3, and this is minus 20 square root of 6. Now the next step would be, I'm going to break down 20 root 6. Now for this, why I'm going to do this is, let me show you one identity. That's a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to a minus b the whole square. Now I have something like this with me and I'm going to convert it into this. So what do I have? The first step I've already done. I've made 203. Now this part looks like it's 2ab, so I'm going to write it. Maybe 2ab is equal to 20 root 6. Now I can just split it into something like this. 2 times 10 root 6, and this root 6 also you can do it like this. 2 times 10 root 6 can be written as square root of 2 times square root of 3. Is that right? 2 times 3 brings you back to 6. So you have 2 times 10 times square root of 2 and square root of 3. Now this I can club. So I have 2 times a times b, if you can see here. Yes. So now I'm going to put it back. What do I have here? 200 plus 3. Let me write it down. 200 plus 3 minus, now I have 2a, that's 10 square root of 2, and times b, that is square root of 3. So this is my a square, this is b square, and a square plus b square minus, I have 2, this is a and this is b. So that's how you get a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this is a. When you square it, 10 times 10 is 100, and square root and square gets cancelled. So 2 times 100 is 200. You get back your a. And squaring this b part, square and root gets cancelled, you get back your b square, 3. So I hope you got this step. Now what did we get? So we're going to write it in the form of a minus b the whole squared. So what is our a? 10 root 2 minus b is root 3. Now there's one more important thing. Now this is whole square. Now there's one more important thing which you should keep in mind, that this whole thing is under the root. So you have a root here as well, you have a root, and here as well you have a root. All these terms are under the root. So root and square gets cancelled. So your final answer is 10 root 2 minus root 3, and that's your answer. So I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye-bye.